Good evening. Welcome to Open House and welcome to the library. My name is Miss Romero and I am your new librarian. A bit about me. I am a former high school English teacher. I am a mom of 3 elementary age kiddos. We live right down the road in Taylor, and I personally love to read, of course. I like to write, I like to travel, and when we travel, we go tent camping. We try to visit a national park each year, so with 3 kiddos and a dog in a tent, it's always an adventure. In order to positively impact student learning outcomes this year as the librarian, I would like to focus on the following. I want to foster a love of reading and learning in each student. That's my main goal. I want them to come to the library and want to read and learn. I want the library to be a safe and creative space for growth. I want to provide access to print and online resources and the knowledge that students need to access those resources and navigate those confidently. I would like to collaborate with administrators and classroom teachers. I am the technology department contact here at the middle school, so I want to provide support for student devices and access to online information. I want to put on a few library programs, which we'll talk about more in a minute this year, and then planning for the future. What will students do after middle school? I want them to leave with the skills they need in order to be successful as lifelong learners. I plan to collaborate with students, teachers, and administrators this year, but I would also love to stay in contact with each of you as well. So in order to do that, I always have open lines of communication open, both in person, online, and by phone. You can reach out to me at any time. You will see library emails and event reminders in your inbox throughout the year. You can always check the library website for announcements and updates. And there is a library corner of the parent newsletter. If there's ever anything you need to know, you will also get those updates weekly through the parent newsletter. I also provide support with student devices and online access for parents. So if you want to modify any of their access plans, you could reach out to me to do that as well. I plan to collaborate with teachers this year so that I can provide the best information for your students so that they can be successful in all of their classes. I will attend planning days for each subject area. I want to provide library resources that support each subject. And more specifically, I want those library resources to coordinate with teachers' lesson plans. So after attending those planning days, seeing what students will be working on, I'll make sure the materials here in the library support each of those lessons and coordinate with those lessons. I will also travel to classrooms to present about research and the resources we have available through ClassLink. So as I go to each classroom or as classes travel through the library, I'll have presentations ready to go if students are confused about how to access certain databases or apps that we have available for them, or how to conduct proper and effective research. I will be that point of contact as well between teachers and students so that teachers can focus on the lesson plans and I can focus on helping students access the information they need in order to successfully complete each of those lessons. We have a variety of library programs planned this year with more to come. Our weekly events are morning study halls every day before 8 a.m. You will see when you walk into the school, there's never a dull moment in the mornings here in the library, so students are welcome to come in to study and work on their homework or read. On Tuesdays and Thursdays in the open area of the library, we have chess club, and on Wednesdays and Fridays we will have makerspace projects students will be able to sign up for throughout the year. We will also have 2 book fairs for sure on the agenda. We will celebrate Banned Book Week with more details to come in the newsletter. And I plan to partner with the public library for summer programs so that when students leave to begin their summer break, they will continue reading and they can feel confident and comfortable going to the public library so that they can read year-round. So my role as your student's librarian this year is to provide access to information and library materials. I want to also focus on protecting intellectual freedom. That means within reason, like I want students to have access to the information they need. Of course, the district puts on filters and makes sure that everything out on the shelves and online the students can access is going to be appropriate for their level, but we want to make sure they also have information that they're looking for, whether it's for school or just a subject they want to learn about. We want to provide some sort of information for them so that they can learn about anything they might be interested in. I also want to focus on teacher collaboration this year, lesson plan support and coordination, and I want to focus on those technology tutorials and library resource tutorials so that students can look at all of this information and know how to competently navigate it and use it for each of their lessons this year. So thank you for stopping by the library tonight. I look forward to meeting and working with each and every one of you this year. And of course, please reach out if you have any questions tonight or going forward. Thank you.